Now let's consider this question on simple interest. Now before you can solve a question on simple interest, there are two main formulas you must know. The first one is this one, which is I equal to P times R times T over 100. The I is the simple interest, the P is the principal, the R is the rate, and the T is the time. Over here, A is the amount to be paid at the end of the allocated years, and then the P is the principal, the amount invested or deposited, and then the I is the simple interest. So if you want to find the amount, if you know the principal and then you know the interest, you just add them to get the amount. Now let's start. The first one, a loan of $1,200. Now this becomes the principal, which is $1,200. It's taken at 6% per year. Now the 6% is the rate of the loan. So 6% per year, simple interest for 4 years. Now the time is also 4 years. So the time for the loan is 4 years. Find the total amount to be repaid at the end of the period. So at the end of the 4 years of taking a loan of $1,200, how much are we going to pay? So now in this question, we are to use the two formulas. First of all, we will use the first formula to find the simple interest, and then we are going to use the second formula to find the total amount to be repaid at the end of the 4 years. First one, let's write the first one. So I, which is the simple interest, is equal to P times R times T all over 100. So let's substitute the values into the formula to find the simple interest. The first one, the P is 1,200. The R is 6, and then the T, the time is 4, all over 100. First of all, this zero crosses this zeros out. Now we have 12 times 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24, and 12 times 24 is 288. So the interest on this loan is 288. Now knowing the interest, we can know the amount. So the amount to be found, the amount is the principal plus the interest. We already know the principal and the interest. The principal is 1,200, and the interest we just had 288. So 1,200 plus 288 gives you 1,488. So therefore, the amount to be paid to be repaid is $1,488.